Hello guys, welcome back to the channels. In this video we are going to talk about how to earn by dropshipping skincare products. So to understand well about it, we will read an article on greendropship.com. So without wasting much more time, let's go and read this article out. Guide to dropship skincare products. Dropshipping has the potential to be quite profitable for an online reseller. That being said, the trick is finding the right products to offer to online shoppers. Fortunately, beauty and body care is a huge segment of online retail with plenty of sustained customer demand. Additionally, skincare products are a huge part of this overall market. So if you're looking for effective tips on how to dropship skincare products, then be sure to check out the following guide. How to dropship skincare products. According to a report by Grand View Research, the global skincare products market was valued at a whopping $134.8 billion in the year 2018. Plus, it's projected to grow at a rate of 4.4% for the period of 2019 to 2025, making this a potentially ultra lucrative online store to run. However, to tap into this market, you need to be sure that you set up a viable and effective store. So, if you're looking to successfully dropship skincare products, be sure you follow these basic steps. Number one, find dropshipping niche. Finding the right niche is vital to the success of your dropshipping store. This is because online retail is very crowded and there is a great deal of competition in e-commerce. As a result, you need to find a section of the market in which you can operate effectively and profitably to connect with potential customers. That being said, skincare is a broad niche with high competition from other dropshipping stores as well as big name brands. To effectively beat this competition, you should consider differentiating yourself by choosing a smaller sub niche to operate in. A sub niche has less competition and a potentially higher profit margin. For example, consider selling in one of the following skincare sub niches: natural and organic skincare, men's organic skincare, women's organic skincare, luxury skincare. Of these options, natural and organic have become especially popular and potentially profitable. However, to identify the right niche, there are several tools to identify niches that you can use. Ultimately, any attempt to identify a suitable niche will begin with Google Trends. For example, the graph below indicates that the general interest in skincare has increased steadily over the past 50 years. Number two, find a skincare supplier. If you are looking to dropship skincare products and have chosen your specific niche, then you'll need to pick the right dropshipping supplier. There are plenty of options available, but you'll need to find one with the following characteristics to have profitable store: a sales and support staff that is knowledgeable about dropshipping and the state of the online retail market, an extensive inventory of high quality products that are in demand, innovative tools that can help you track your sales and monitor inventory. The supplier needs to be reliable, efficient, and fast in packing and shipping the products. If you are selling perishables or fragile goods, then the supplier need to be able to properly store and pack them. Membership fees are a pricing system that is competitive and affordable. Even a cursory Google search will show you that there are a lot of options once you start narrowing down the list of potential suppliers. It may be helpful to follow this nifty guide for how to effectively contact them. Um, Set up your online store. Uh, Set up your online store. Number four, promote your dropshipping store to increase traffic and sales. And that was the steps that you need to follow in dropshipping skincare products. So I hope uh, this article helped you through dropshipping and skincare products. So that's it for this article, and also that's it for today's video. So let's end this video here. We will meet in the next video. Till that, bye bye. See you. Allah Hafiz.